Hi friends, this is the second part of phrasal verb, context-based meaning of phrasal verbs, especially or particularly on the two phrasal verbs on and up. On and up. How can we use these phrasal verbs when making sentences and defining sentences? So let me start from this one. This is from Family English Language with Mr. Kabada, and this is my contact address. So phrasal verbs up and on. How can we use these phrasal verbs while completing sentences, or maybe while reading texts? How can we define? That's all right. Yeah. The first one here is prepositions up and on, and they have versatile uses. Versatile means many uses actually. Simple definition for up, more than 7 uses. On, it signifies about places, position, direction, time. The same is true for up. So it has versatile or many uses. It doesn't, or the two words do not have only one purpose, only one use. And the other one, they are basis of countless phrasal verbs. Yeah, of course, ልክ ነው። አሁን የምናየው ስለዚህ ግሳዊ ሐረጎች በተለይ አፕ ኤንድ ዳውን እንዴት ከሌሎች አክሽን ቨርብስ ጋር ሲገናኙ ምን አይነት ትርጉም ሊሰጡ ይችላሉ እነሱን ነው ማየት የምንፈልገው። ምክንያቱም እያንዳንዱ ፕሪፖዚሽን ብዙ አጠቃቀም አለው። ካውንትለስ የሆነ ፍሬዛል ቨርቦችን ኮንስትራክት ማድረግ ያስችሉናል። ካውንትለስ ማለት ብዙ ፍሬዛል ቨርቦችን ቤዞቹ እነማን ናቸው? አፕ ኤንድ ኦን፣ ዳውን ኤንድ አዌይ፣ ኦፍ፣ ኦን፣ something like that። እንደዚህ አይነት ፕሪፖዚሽንስ I can just the meaning of this phrasal verbs integrated with the verb, creating a new idiomatic definition. Yes, right, ልክ ነው። የነዚህን phrasal verbs define ለማድረግ actually ከነሱ ጋር integrate or coordinate የሆነውን action verb ትርጉም መለየት of course ገስ ለማድረግ ፍንጭ ሊሰጠኝ ይችላል። ስለዚህ separate እያንዳንዳቸውን ትርጉም ማወቁ ለኮንቴክስቹዋል phrasal verb definition ክሉ ሊሰጠኝ ይችላል። ዘን ያን ክሉ ተጠቅሜ phrasal verb ምንድነው ሪፕሬዘንት የሚያደርገው የሚለው ነገር ልረዳ እችላለሁ። ሶ ማነብ ከሆነም ማነበው ነገር ረዳለሁ፣ ምጽፍ ከሆነም እነዛን ፍሬዞች ተጠቅሜ phrasal verb ተጠቅሜ አረፍተ ነገር ኮንስትራክት ላደርግ እችላለሁ። ስለዚህ ቤዚካሊ ምንድነው ማድረግ የሚገባኝ? what do I know about the action verb and what do I know about the preposition? Then what is the coordination of these two different words, so I can just give my own experience, my own definition for that phrasal verb. This is the approach of defining or treating for the phrasal verbs. So that is please. So let me start for the first preposition up here. On this እንጠቀምበታለን please. The first use of on it shows about physical position and contact, right? Physical position ምንድነው? actually just እንቅስቃሴን ያሳየናል። physical position ማለት እንቅስቃሴን ከአንዱ ቦታ ወደ ሌላ ቦታ ወይም ከታች ወደ ላይ ወይም ከተለያየ አቅጣጫ እንቅስቃሴን ሊያሳየን ይችላል። on contactንም ያሳየናል። አንዱ አጠቃቀሙ ነው። for take an example here, apple. What's up mean and what's on? What's up ማለት ነው is a kind of preposition of up. What about on? So what is the integration between the two words, up, on? So let's start please. Example ነው የምሰጠው። Yes, the book is up on the shelf, so you can easily bring it. The book is up on the shelf, up on. The book is up on the shelf, so you can, so what's the book is up on the shelf, so you can easily bring it. So up on refers about from this context I can deduce the meaning of this phrasal verb. Okay, ስለዚህ ይሄን ሐሳብ አረፍተ ነገሩን በማንበብ up on የሚለው ነገር ምንድነው የሚወክለው ነገር አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ ይችላልው። just upon means on the top, or it's movement ነው የሚያሳየው of course yeah physical position ነው የሚያሳየው position ማለት መጽሐፉ ይንቀሳቀሳል ማለት አይደለም it's upon on the shelf so you can easily bring it is on the shelf yeah. Second example please. Onto. What's onto mean? Onto silumal. Onto, you know, on is a preposition, to is also a preposition, yeah. He stepped onto the stage and he will start to lead the meeting. He stepped onto the ship. Yeah. Alright, here. He stepped onto the ship. He will start to lead the meeting. Position in physical movement ይገልጽልኛል ማለት ነው. Yes. Alright. Physical movement ይገልጽልኛል. So was onto mean here. ስለዚህ onto ምንን ሐሳብ ይገልጽላችኋል? ስቴፕ የሚለውን ዲፋይን ማድረግ የመጀመሪያ ጉዳይ ነው የሚሆነው። was step mean? Step on the stage ምንድነው stage ማለት? Moving to a position on just a surface onto the stage ማለት movement. He came to on the stage. Came to onto means came to or on top of the stage ማለት ነው. Yes, on top of the stage or came to the stage. So he will start to lead the meeting exactly. ስለዚህ movement or position መግለጹ ሊያሳየን የሚችለው እዚህ ጋር ያለው ሐሳብ of course ይሄንን ኮንቴክስት ክሊርሊ የሚያደርግ የሚችል ኮንቴክስት ነው። ስለዚህ step on the stage ማለት just moving on a position on a position or on top of the shelf, on top of the stage. So you can say that. Next one please. The second function of this preposition on is it refers about function and activation of something. Activation, doing something, a purpose of something. አገልግሎትና activation, activity ይገልጻል on. Nice example ስንወስድ እስኪ online. We know on online common phrasal verb actually. Yes, don't disturb me, I am online teaching. Yes, don't disturb me, I am online teaching. What's online teaching mean? Connected on a system ማለት እኮ yes. Online ማለት I'm connected on a system means I'm in the middle of teaching my students online. I'm connected with the system teaching my students through internet, so online. So it is function, function, and I am activating teaching my students, performing teaching my students online mean, right? So it reflects about function and activation. ይሄ ትርጉም ጋር የተያዘው anyway እዚህ ጋር እንኳን ባለ don't disturb me, I am online teaching means activate የሚለውን ሴንስ ይሰጠኛል. Or connected to a system, online, connected to a system. Second example please. Yeah, onwards. Was onward? Yes, once onward. Yes, all right. From this time onwards I'm going to give them a 5-day training, right? From this time onwards. Yes, from this time onwards I'm going to give a 5-day training. From this time onwards. What's onward mean? Yes, what's onward? Function ነው የሚገልጽልኛል. Moving forward or continuing ማለት ነው. Yes, continuing. Yes, moving from this time onwards ከዚህ ሰዓት ጀምሮ ለአምስት ተከታታይ ሰዓታት ስልጠናውን እሰጣለሁ ስል onward የሚገልጽልኝ moving forward or continuing ማለት ነው. Right? Moving just from this time onwards, beginning from this time, continuing from this time, I'm going to give you a 5-day training. So onward has this definition, which is moving forward or continuing with something. መቀጠል አንድ ነገር ከዚህ ተነስቼ መቀጠል የሚለውን sense ሊሰጠኝ የሚችል onward. It's common word by the way, onward. Onward is from this information that I got from my friends. I will take my measure, right? Or having onwards from or just having clear information from my colleagues. Onwards from clear information that I gather, I can just continue from the information that I got ማለት ነው. ያገኘሁትን ኢንፎርሜሽን መሰረት አድርጌ ሐሳቡን ቀጥላለሁ. So onward means continuing or moving forward. ይሄ ትርጉም ይሰጠናል. Next example here. onside. What's inside mean? Onside, yeah? Onside here. Maybe it's onside. It seems one word, but it's not one word, please, here. On and side. Phrasal verb, no. The striker is onside. What striker means? A striker, attacker, ማለት striker is related with games, especially football game. The striker is onside. Yeah? So he defends strongly because he is an onside player. Okay? አሁን በጣም ቀላል ሆኗል ኮንቴክስቱ። ምክንያት onside የሚለውን ኮንቴክስት ዲፋይን ለማድረግ እንዳመች ነው። The striker is onside. So he defends strongly because he is an onside player. So what's onside here? Just onside, yeah? An onside mean an onside player means any side ማለት ነው, right? Any side. Left hand, okay, left side player, right side player, mediator, defender, fronter, and onside. Legal position ማለት ነው. Yes, a legal playing ማለት ነው, on onside player. A legal position of playing football, we can say onside player, right? Legal position of playing football is related, or the meaning is related with football game. Okay, onside ስትል ይሄ ነው። The striker is onside ስትል legal playing position አለው ወይም የጎን ክንፍ ወይም ግራ ክንፍ ወይም ቀኝ ክንፍ ተጫዋች ነው። That's onside mean. Nice. Next one. ሶስተኛው የኦን አጠቃቀሙ it reflects about abstractness and temporal. Something which is abstract, which has figurative meaning, okay? Something which is temporal, not permanent. ይሄን ትርጉም ይሰጠናል on. ይሄን ትርጉም ይሰጠናል። Let me give you examples, please. ምሳሌዎችን ongoing. Ongoing. What's ongoing? Common meaning, common expression. An ongoing training will be given by the coaches. Yes, an ongoing training will be given by the coaches. What's an ongoing training means? Continuing training, yes? ቀጣይነት ያለው ስልጠና ከኮቾች ይሰጣል። Continuing, which is an ongoing training. Second example, please here. Oncoming, yeah. What's oncoming? Oncoming, yeah. The meaning is sometimes related with the base word come. When do we use come? What about oncoming if I change come into gerund form? You are so dynamic. You are oncoming from your last rank. Oncoming means, ምንድን ነው የሚሰጣችሁ? You are so dynamic. You are oncoming from your last rank. Right? Dynamic. What do I know about dynamic? You are oncoming from your last rank. What's oncoming mean here? Alright? Oncoming is it? ከነበረበት ወደ ተሻለ መምጣት ማለት ነው አይደል? Approaching ማለት ነው እኮ oncoming ማለት. You are oncoming from your last rank ሲል መጀመሪያ ከነበረበት አሻሽሎ ወደ ተሻለ ደረጃ ወደ ፍሮንት ላይ መምጣት ማለት ነው አይደል? You are so dynamic. You are oncoming from your last rank. You stood first, maybe second or third. So oncoming has positive meaning, approaching or coming to the front, comparing from his or her previous rank or her previous status. Oncoming had the definition. Approaching or coming from his or her previous rank to the front, oncoming mean. So ongoing, continuing, and oncoming is approaching to the front. So you can say that the phrasal abstractness የምንለው ይሄን ነው። Abstractness, and it refers about a temporal context, yeah. A temporal context, abstractness አይደለም, temporal context ይገልጽልኛል። The other examples, on us. Look is on us. What's on us? What's us mean? The on us is not given to anyone. It's mine. Look here, it's a phrasal verb. No, the on us is not given to anyone. On us is not given to anyone. It's mine. ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ? The on us is not given to anyone. It's mine. A responsibility or the duty is not given to anyone, but it's mine. Right? On us የሚለው ነገር እኛን የሚለውን ነው የሚያሳየን። On us ስንል ኃላፊነቱ የሌላ ሳይሆን የኔ ነው right responsibility ወይም duty የሚለው ነው on us የሚገልጽልን because I can guess it from the context the on us not given to anyone it's mine means the duty is not on someone else yes so on us has such definition which is an abstract contextual meaning yes abstract something maybe you cannot find the meaning of on us by reading or stating from the sentence you take it and understand and analyze and give the definition for on us another second is our on us but not anyone is our on us የኛ ነው ማለት ነው is our responsibility ለማለት ነው is our duty but not anyone on us nice next example the other example is up the second phrasal or the second preposition is up up እንደምናውቀው movement ነው የሚገልጸው direction and movement ነው from north to east south to west እንደዚህ አይነት አቅጣጫን locomotion or movement ይገልጻል ይሄ preposition first example is upward was upward yeah movement ቅድም ያልኳችሁ ነው upward mean if you want to meet the dean move upward and it is in office number 23 was upward here go upstairs or maybe first floor or go higher position or move in higher position or maybe first floor second floor or upstairs movement እንገለጸ ወይም direction እንገለጸ ለማን upward ማለት አንደኛ upward common word ነው second example here uphill was hill uphill ስንል ምን ማለታችን ነው uphill ማለት you know up and hill means she wears high heel shoes it's not something straight land you know ምንድነው ኮረብታማ ወይም ከፍታማ ተራራማ ቦታ ነው hill ስንል uphill ስንል ምን ማለታችን ነው uphill studying space science is uphill for me because I don't have any background experience on geography yes what's uphill ምን ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር studying space science is uphill አቀበት እንደመውጣት ለማለት እኮ ነው uphill ማለት ያ studying space science is uphill for me because I don't have any background experience in geography so uphill by itself is difficult to understand something which is unable to treat so uphill because hill by itself has its own connotative meaning hill ተራራማ hill ሲል uphill ሲል መውጣት አለመቻል so ምን ማለት ነው difficulty እየገለጽኩ ነው so difficult የሚል ትርጉም አለው uphill mean another examples of upwardly which is an adverb here adverb no upwardly adverb no yeah look the context here she is upwardly mobile in her career yes upward direction or maybe she is upwardly higher position career የሚለው direction አይደለም የሚሰጣችሁ ግን ምን ይፈልጋል position ይሰጣችኋል position ማለት ከነበረችበት የሆነ የተሻለ ደረጃ መድረስ upwardly means she got a promotion and she has got hierarchy so she is upwardly means higher position upwardly the other examples of this up increase or movement increment of something or movement of something የአፕ ሁለተኛ አጠቃቀሙ increment or movement ነው የሚያሳያችሁ yeah example please update look here during this era everyone updates him or herself otherwise he or she will not be competent enough yeah update yes what's update yes update common ነው actually ሁሉም ራሴን update አደርጋለሁ ምናምን እንላለን of course yeah during this era everyone updates him or herself otherwise he or she will not be competent enough so what's update means update make more modern ማለት ነው አይደል ራስን ከዘመኑ ጋር ማስተዋወቅ make more modern updating you can say it yes make everyone civilized this update mean second upgrade was upgrade ይባላል I upgrade my status ልል ይችላል ለምሳሌ I upgrade my status I upgrade my status. I upgrade my status for one step. አንድ ስቴፕ ስታተስን አፕግሬድ አደርጋለሁ። ምንድነው አፕግሬድ ማለት? The owner of the hotel upgrades the hotel room to get enough customers. Yeah, there is kind of just it's a kind of improvement. Yes, because the hotel is a normal hotel, he may not get, or the manager may not get enough customers, so he wants to upgrade, especially for quality of or giving service of the hotel. So upgrading of the hotel, you mean, right? Upgrading of the hotel. Upgrading of my status means I can change, I want a one step change comparing from my previous status. Upgrading means upgrading, right? Upgrading ማለት raise to a higher standard ማለት እኮ ነው። upgrading ማለት raise to a higher standard ማለት ነው አይደል? ከነበረበት አንድ ደረጃ ከፍ አድርጎ ማስቀመጥ upgrade ይባላል። አሁን የሰጠሁት ምሳሌም ይሄን ዲፋይን የሚያደርጉ ናቸው። Nice. The other examples of uplift. Yes, uplift. What's uplift mean? Commonly አንዳንድ ጊዜ እንጠቀምበታለን ይሄን። The boy uplifts a quintal floor to upstairs. Yeah. Yes, right. Uplifts means lift something up ማለት ነው አይደል? The boy uplifts a quintal of floor to upstairs. A quintal of floor to his home bundle. Lift something up. Of course, uplifts አንዱ ትርጉም ነው። uplifts ሌላ ትርጉም look here. Second example. The psychologist uplifts the students to come on the right line by giving psychological first aid. Psychological makeup, yeah. So what's uplifts here? What's uplifts? The psychologist uplifts the students to come on the right line by giving psychological first aid. What's uplift here? Uplifting of means, improve their emotional stability, right? Improve their moral, okay? Build their moral or encourage their moral. Uplifting means more of psychological or figurative meaning ነው ያለው. Yes, the psychologist uplifts them, just empower አደረጋቸው or ኢሞሽናል ዲስትረሳቸውን አሻሻለ ለማለት ነው። ኢምፓወር አፕሊፍትስ ማለት ማነቃቃት፣ የተሻለ ደረጃ ማድረስ። አፕሊፍትስ ይሄ ሊፍት ሳምሲንግ ነው። አፕሊፍት ምን ሊፍት ሳምሲንግ ማለት ነው። ሊፍቲንግ ሳምሲንግ you can say ፊዚካል ሙቭመንትን ይፈልጋል። አፕሊፍትስ ይሄ ኢሞሽናል የሆነ ነገር ሞር ኦፍ ፊገራቲቭ ሚኒንግ አለው። ስለዚህ አፕሊፍት ዲፔንድ ኦን ዘ ኮንቴክስት የተለያየ ትርጉም አለው። Second example, upsurge. What's upsurge? Look here. The opponent parties upsurge their violence in the country because of poor ruling system of the country. Yes? No, upsurge. This the word is strange. ቃሉ እንግዳ ሊሆን ይችላል። upsurge, surge. ግን ሰርጅ የሚለውን ለማግኘት አረፍተ ነገሩን ማንበብ ይጠበቅብኛል። The opponent parties upsurge their violence in the country because of poor ruling system of the country. So what's upsurge mean? The opponent parties upsurge their violence. Yeah, increase. Yes, እነዚህ ተቃራኒ ፓርቲዎች ወይም ተቃራኒ የፖለቲካ ፓርቲዎች ተቃውሞ በአገሪቱ ውስጥ አፕሰርጅ እንዲሆን አደረጉ። ስለዚህ ለምክንያቱ ምንድነው? የአገሪቱ የደካማ የሆነ አገዛዝ ስርዓት መከተል opponent parties upsurge አደረጉ ስንል ቫዮለንሱ ኢንክሪዝ አደረገ ማለት ነው። yes, ቫዮለንሱ ኢንክሪዝ አደረገ exactly. upsurge increase the violence, increase something, you can just use upsurge. Yeah, even though the word or the phrase is difficult, strange for me, but I can just define what upsurge means from the given context. Context based phrasal verbs ያልኳችሁ ቃሉ አዲስ እንኳን ቢሆንም define ግን ማድረግ እንችላለን። Nice. Next word here. Yeah, completion versus preparation የሚል ትርጉም አለው። up. completion versus preparation የሚል ትርጉም አለው። up. እስኪ ለምሳሌ አንድ ምሳሌዎችን እንይ። Syrup. Syrup. Yeah, what syrup mean? Syrup means the setup is critical. No one can treat it. Yeah, the setup is critical. No one can treat it. ምንድነው ሴታፑ በጣም ክሪቲካል ነው። ስለዚህ ማንም ትሪት አያደርገው ማንም አይፈታውም ነው እያለናል ነው። Yes, right. Yeah, the way that something is arranged ማለት ነው the setup is critical. ሴታፑ ከባድ ነው. So the way that something is arranged, something is just ሲስተሙን ነው የሚገልጽላችኋል። ሲስተሙ የተዋቀረበት ሲስተም ክሪቲካል ነው። የተደራጀበት ሲስተም ክሪቲካል ነው። ማንም ትሪት ሊያደርገው አይችልም። ስለዚህ the way something is arranged, set up ማለት ነው። set up. Second example, take a mind set up and you'll present smartly. Take a mind set up. You gather the important information in your mind. Give your mind to make a setup, mind setup. Arrange everything, how you are going to, why you are going to, and when you are going to, and the way that you are going to present. Setup ማለት አምሮህ ላይ ዝግጅት አድርግ እንዴት እንደምታቀርብ መቼ እንደምታቀርብ ምን እንደምታቀርብ setup ማለት arrange something. Yes, arrange something in our mind. Yeah, setup ማለት እሱ ነው የሚሰጣችሁ። Take a mind setup. So then arrange everything in your mind and then you'll present smartly. Setup. Nice. What about grow up? Yeah, grow up. Set እናቃለን up አየነው አይደለ? completion preparation የሚል ትርጉም ሰጠን እኮ እዚህ ጋር አይደለ? preparation ማለት grow up ስንልስ grow up here. Your thinking abilities grow up as your age increases. Yes, your thinking abilities grow up as your age increases. Your thinking ability grow up as your age increases. So how can what's grow up mean? This is a phrasal verb. It's grown up. Your thinking ability. Yeah, የማሰብ ችሎታ ከእድሜ ጋር እድሜ እየጨመረ ሲሄድ grown up አለ ስትል of course grown up ምንድነው mature advanced thinker mature ማሰብ የምችልበት ደረጃ ነው። ስለዚህ mature and adult grown up ማለት yes grown up mature advanced thinking, so you can say grow up. Amazing change I see. You are growing up rapidly. Yes, amazing change I see. You are growing up rapidly. Growing up rapidly. Yes, increase ለማለት ነው እዚህ ላይ አሁን increase the size of the boy increases in size, so growing up has also another definition. All right, nice. And the other one please. The other examples of up. Brighten up. What's brighten up mean? Bright ምንድነው? And brighten ስል ወደ verb ቀየርኩት ማለት ነው። Brighten up. You brighten up. Bright adjective ነው. Adjective of color ነው. en ሲጨምርበት adjective ወደ verb ቀየርኩት። Brighten up clear ነው። Bright make bright ማለት ነው። Brighten up ስል brighten up ስል please brighten up the room. I can see things clearly. Yeah? Yes, right. Please brighten up the room. I can see things clearly. Brighten up to make brighter ማለት ነው አይደል? To make brighter or more cheerful, brighter. Clear. Aha, it's dark in the upstairs, so brighten up. It's dark in the upstairs and brighten up. Make bright it. You turn on the light, brighten up. Yeah. Nice. Next word here. Look up. Look up. What's look up here? What's look here and what's up? Look ምንድነው? If you want to just leave from your office, you first lock your office. Locking. Right? ከቢሮ ስትወጣ first lock off check and lock ነው. So what's look up mean? ዋስሎካ ቀደም የተናገርኩት የእያንዳንዱን ቃል ትርጉም ፍንጭ ማወቅ ለፍሬዘር ጠቅላላ ትርጉም አስተዋጽኦ አለው ያልኩት ይሄ ነው። ሎክ ዊ ኖ ኮመን ኤክስፕሬሽን ነው። ኮመን ወርድ ነው ሎክ አፕ። ሎክ አፕ ስንል ደግሞ ከዛ ጋር የተያዘ ትርጉም እናገኛለን። ናይስ lock up the house for the night so that no one can try to escape from the prison. You lock up the house for the night. ልክ ነው። ማታ ላይ ሎክ አፕ ቤቱን ሎክ አፕ አድርገው ስለዚህ ከእስር ቤቱ ሊያመልጥ የሚችል የሚሞክር ማንም የለም አይደለ? Right. So what does lock up mean? Yes. To secure. To make secure by locking ማለት ነው አይደለ? To make secure by locking the house. Yeah. To make look up means make secure. Make secure. How? By looking in the house. But because in order not to escape from the prison, እስረኞቹ criminals ከእስር ቤት እንዳያመልጡ look up ስትል make secure or look up. Make secure means to make it secure. You look up. You look up. Thus, and finish up. Was finish up. Finish up. You know what? Finish and up here. It's time to finish up your work. So you should use your time wisely. It's time to finish up. Yeah, completion ማለት ነው አይደል? Finish up your work. Completion. And the last one, please. Maybe went up. Went up. What's went up mean? Went up. Yes. Went actually you go past form ማለት ነው. Went up. Go up ለማለት ነው አይደል? Went up past form ነው. Go up ለማለት ነው. Of course possible ነው. Went up past phrasal verb ነው. Go up present phrasal verb ነው. So went up had the same meaning or meaning relation with go up ከሚለው ጋር ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም አለው። So here the price of goods and services are going up. It is difficult to manage life in a big city. Increase. Going up means increase. Went up means increase. መጨመር የሚለውን ትርጉም የሚሰጣቸው አይደል? The price of goods and services are going up. የሸቀጦች ዋጋ going up አለ ማለት of course increase, double, multiplicity. Yes, another word, go on. You go on, please don't give up. Yeah, go on, continue. Go on means continue. It's common word. Now this will be the end of the second phrasal verb, especially up and on, the very important phrasal verb, common phrasal verb. And I think I want to show you about how you treat or how you use phrasal verbs in making sentences while you are reading text. Simply strategies, yeah. And I think you'll get something which is important for your English language skills, especially for communication and writing. And practice by taking some more phrasal verbs, some more prepositions with the relevant or appropriate action verbs, and try to practice by using your own examples. Anyway, this one I will say about these phrasal verbs. This will be the end of today's presentation. Today's talking on my YouTube channel. I think you'll subscribe, like, share, and write comments to my presentation approach or presenting my lesson. This from Mr. Kabara from Family League. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, please.